In this video, I'm going to just show you a quick little trick that we explored in a previous video where the domain of the inverse is going to be the same as the range of the original. And so if the range of the original at the moment is y is happening above 0, then all that this would change is if the bracket is x plus 1, then the answer that comes out of it is minus 1. So all that's happened is that instead of having a asymptote of y equals 0, it would just go down 1. So it would be y equals minus 1. And so the original graph's domain range, if you like, would be y is bigger than minus 1. And so what's the answer to this question? X is bigger than minus 1. So there's the quick answer. To give you a fuller answer, let me draw it to show you. And so if the original y asymptote is 0, now the x asymptote is 0. If the y-intercept was 1, now the x-intercept would be 1. If the point was 1, 3 over 2, it will now be 3 over 2 across and 1 up. And so I'm doing this just to illustrate and show you another tip of just if you're drawing an inverse graph, it's really easy to draw just by swapping all the x's and y's of the original graph that you got. So here at this stage is just our inverse of the G graph. That's what I've got in blue. And then again, all that you do is you just say, well, if the bracket is x plus 1, then what's it going to do to all the x values? It will just, what answer comes out of it? Minus 1. And so it will just minus 1 from every x value. And so if the asymptote was at 0, now the asymptote will go 1 across. And so you would just have an asymptote here at minus 1. If the x-intercept was 1, it will now be at 0. If the point was 3 over 2, 1, it will go back 1. So it will be at half and 1. And so that's roughly speaking what this graph here would look like, this red one. And so visually, just to consolidate, you can see that it's happening bigger than minus 1. Why don't I say bigger than or equal to minus 1? It's because there's an asymptote here, so that's why I don't say that. So hopefully just linking a couple of the other videos together, this is helpful just to show you what to do in these cases when you've got more than just an x term in the bracket. You just think what answer comes out of there, and that's how it will affect your final answer. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like it, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends.